Alright, so we're in a circa late 80s Otis LRV, and I hope you guys can hear up in this corner. Listen here when we leave. Hope you could hear that. Sounds like one of the rollers is completely worn out. And we can hear it coming out of the top as well. Hope you guys heard that, and we'll get it on top and check it out. Alright, so we're on the car top, and these are all the limits, right? If you look down there, you can see that one is one of the old styles, and it's worn right down. They turn all gummy, and that's the scraping you can hear. So I'm going to move it up so we clear this cam. I do have one with me. This way we should be all in the clear. I'll be able to reach down and change that out. So here it is. I believe these used to be almost like an orange foam. And you can just see how much it's worn down. There's the new one. And a couple of nuts. And that's where it goes right there. So I'll throw that on and take a look after. Okay. Got the new one on there. Seems awfully tight there. But we'll check it out. See how it's running. But I think we got her. Okay. There's the old one, the one I got left. Nice machine room. Let's go. I didn't hear it, other than, you know, you can still hear the slight roll, but let's take it to the top. Let's see if we haven't got it fixed. I'll just hold it up close to this corner here. So you can still hear it like hit the switch. I think it sounds a little better without the it's not the scraping you hear really, right? But there's still tons of noises on this thing, but it's a little better now anyways. Thanks for watching.